construcción on this lovely drive to Charlotte. Just enjoying it, loving every minute of it.
Over right now in the middle of the street.
And my balls are on fire.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
This is pretty cool.
I wonder if it's supposed to be there.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Is that like a car lit on fire?
It doesn't look cool.
What the frig?
Check that out.
Oh my god, something is on fire. What the heck is
Look
that?
at a car.
Is it a car?
I don't know. They're barbecuing something, I guess.
What the?
Oh yeah, it was a car.
That was a car?
Yeah, that was a car. Fuck.
What the heck?
Damn. Yeah, car blew up.
Okay, here's a question. Why hasn't anybody come to
That motherfucker was fucking scorched. Damn, I'm pissed.